This is the best cake for summertime gatherings because the flavor is so bright and fresh. I love the combination of fresh blueberries and lemons. It's always a good idea in the spring and summer. So to make it, you're just going to combine your sugar and your lemon zest in a bowl. And this is where we get all that lemony flavor. We're going to just rub the lemon zest into the sugar. Then you can add in your eggs and your vanilla extract to get that nice and smooth. Then you want to add in your oil and then follow that up with your sour cream. Both of those will help keep this cake from drying out and give it a lot of amazing texture. So once your wet ingredients are all mixed together, you can set those aside and start working on your dry ingredients. And those are flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And I like to add my fresh blueberries right into this dry ingredient mixture to keep them from sinking to the bottom of the cake. But as you'll see, they do sink a little bit and it doesn't bother me. So just gradually mix your dry ingredients in with your wet ingredients. Get that all into a prepared round cake pan and get it in the oven. And then once that's all cooled, you can start working on your mascarpone frosting, which is my favorite part. This frosting is really simple. It's just mascarpone cheese, powdered sugar, and a little bit of heavy cream and vanilla extract for flavor. You want both your mascarpone and your heavy cream to be nice and cold so that we can whip them up into stiff peaks, which look like this. And that's how you know you're ready to just plop all of this amazing frosting on top of your cake. I like to top this cake off with some homemade lemon curd and homemade blueberry cake filling. Both of those recipes are on my site. Swirl it all together and then add some more fresh blueberries and lemons. And this cake is ready to enjoy. You guys are gonna love it. I just know it. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Recipes at ShanaeToday.com.